Hello everyone, welcome to my Nexvora Tech channel. In this video, we will know the basics of Cisco Packet Tracer and we will establish an example peer-to-peer networking using the Cisco Packet Tracer. If you haven't installed the Cisco Packet Tracer, please watch my previous video. That video will help you to download and install the Packet Tracer. I have already installed the Cisco Packet Tracer version 9.0.0. My Cisco Packet Tracer is opened. You see this blank area. This is the workspace where you build the network, and this part, as you are seeing, this is the tools that we use to build the network. And here you see network devices. If you click here, you will see the list of the routers available and you can choose any one of them. Also, in the network devices, there are routers, switch, hub, wireless devices, security, and so on. And as you see the routers in the router icon, if you click this switch, you will see the list of the switches, multi-layer switch. I often use this 2960 switch for the configuration. Also, there is connection icon. If you click this, you will see the list of the cables for the connectivity of the in devices. As you see, as you hover the mouse over this icon, you will see the console cable, straight through cable, crossover cable, and so on. Also you see coaxial cable. In this tutorial, we will be using this crossover cable, and if you see this in device, you will see lots of device, PCs, laptop, server, and so on. You will also see, if you scroll right, then you will see many more devices. But in this tutorial, we are going to set up peer-to-peer connection. So I am going to click this PC and click in the workspace. Again, click this PC and click in the workspace. Now we are going to connect these two PC. As we see, these devices are of same kind. We need to click this connection and select crossover cable. For the same devices, we need crossover cable. So click this crossover cable icon, and if you hover this PC0, you will see information of this device. So click this PC0 and you will see 4 ports available, but in this case you have to choose fast Ethernet 0 and pull this cable to PC1 and click the PC1, and here also you will see 4 ports, but you have to choose fast Ethernet 0. Till now there is no connectivity because we haven't assigned any IP to this PC. As you can see that one line has been drawn between these devices. If you click this PC0 in this physical tab, here you see physical tab. If you click here, then you will see the CPU of this PC, and if you scroll down, then you see the network port. If you zoom in, you will see clearly network ports where you will connect that crossover cable. Click this close button Now click PC1 and you will see again here in the physical section, you will see the network ports for PC1. Close this. Now we are going to click PC0 and we'll go to desktop tab, and in IP configuration we are going to assign IP for this PC0. Type 192.168.1.1. This is class C IP, and just click subnet mask. It will automatically appear. Don't worry about this subnet mask. In this tutorial, just click this close button and again click the PC1 device and click desktop tab. Go to IP configuration and give IP 192.168.1.2 and subnet mask. Close this. Now we have applied IP to these PCs. For the better visibility, place note or label to this PC 192.168.1.1 and 192.168.1.2. Now as you can see that we have assigned 192.168.1.1 for PC0 and 192.168.1.2 for PC1. As you can see that these IP are of same range. So now if you click PC0, you can see the list of the tools provided here, and for now we are going to use command prompt. In the command prompt we are going to see the IP that we have assigned to PC0 is actually will actually appear or not. For that, write IP config config and hit enter. You will see the IP has been set to this PC0. Same we will do for PC1 and click this command prompt and write IP config and hit enter. You will see here IP has been set to PC1 192.168.1.2. Close this. We have already set the IP and we haven't tested the connectivity, but we have tested the IP in both of this computer. Now we can also see the MAC address from the command prompt of both of this PC. Click this PC and click command prompt, and for this type IP config /all, enter. You will see the physical address provided here. Again, for the next PC, do the same. Type ipconfig config space /all, and you will see here the physical address. Now we will test the connectivity between these PCs. For this, click the PC0, click command prompt. Now we are going to ping the IP of this PC1 from PC0. So write ping 192.168.1.2. Now if the connection is successful, then we should get reply message from the PC1. Hit enter. As you can see, 4 reply has been sent and received from the PC0 to PC1, and reply has been received from PC1. There is no loss. So in this tutorial we set up 2 computers and connected with crossover cable which assigned IP to both of this computer, tested the connectivity, and the connection was successful. Thank you for watching this tutorial on basic peer-to-peer networking configuration in Cisco Packet Tracer. In this video, we successfully connected 2 devices, configured the IP addresses, and verified the connection using ping command. I hope this tutorial helped you understand the fundamentals of peer-to-peer networking. If you found this video useful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more technology and networking tutorials. This is Nexvora Tech. Learn technology easily. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.